Hey everyone.
Good morning.
Hey everyone, it's Leo here, and today we are going to talk about the new AI Siri beta.
Siri AI. Siri today. Hey Siri.
Why I like it so much and why I'm so excited about it is that it's agentic. It's not just AI on your phone. It allows you to control your phone with this AI model, and this is just another layer of that. So it's much better than just your regular AI chat, because you can request information, you can get information, you can also do something with that information on your phone with your natural voice or any text typing thing or whatever.
Okay, that's a lot of cows.
If you thought that you got stuck on a wait list because of the indexing issue, well, my indexing is still ongoing. I think these two things are not related to each other. What indexing does is that it's sorting out all your information, all data that is available on your phone. So every time you request something from Siri, it might provide you it in a way faster way. So this is what the indexing for. If you didn't understand, I believe you did, but I mean, just clarifying. All right, so let's test this thing very quickly because, as I promised, it's going to be a quick video. Let's dive in.
Okay, let's see what Siri cooked up.
Okay, so let's try the first thing, and the first thing here is the contextual understanding. It means that Siri now understands what is on your screen, and you can ask her questions, and she will answer you whatever you ask her. So let's try this one. Hey Siri, what is going on this picture and where it was shot? And it answers, and it's amazing, but also we can ask her something like, how many trestles are there? And it says that there are 18 restored wooden trestles along Myra Canyon, blah, blah, blah. So it's good for this kind of stuff. So another interesting thing where it actually fails is when you show it an image or some information, some data without any context. So for example, if we just show this exactly the same place, but the image doesn't have any metadata, we don't have any text on the screen, Siri will answer that. Hey, answer me please, what do you see on this image and where is it located? And it says that this image shows one of the historic Devil's Slide trestles. This twin blah 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 South Boulder Canyon, Colorado Rockies. It's not true, it's false. It's still the same place. It's Myra Canyon, and well, it is mistaken here, but instead of answering I cannot answer you properly, it hallucinates. And it just proves that this is not the biggest model and it doesn't have any safeguards against hallucinating, but this is still much better than, just the old Siri.
If they can accelerate the delivery.
Another cool feature is that Siri now is context aware, and more than that, it can operate with any available information on your device, such as documents, images, videos, and such. So for example, I have, this nice photo over here, and I say, send this photo to my wife via iMessages. It asked me for a confirmation, and well, I sent it to my wife. So it's not just answering your questions, it can do things, although it's not ideal and it doesn't have control over your whole phone. So I'll show you the example where it works and where it doesn't and where it fails. So, hey Siri, show me the latest news in Canada for today. Okay, and it showed me the news and it showed the nice map, blah, 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 yeah. And I can follow up on that and say something like, hey, can you create a quick note for me and put all that information in that note? And it says, okay, yeah, I created the note, blah, blah, blah. Now, Siri, can you please find the images for each topic of this news and update that quick note for me? Let's repeat it. Hey Siri, can you please find the images for this news and update the quick note for me with the images you found? And now it's working and looking for it, and it says, I found some images related to the news, but I'm unable to attach them directly to your note right now. Would you like me to add links to these images instead? And I would say that can you just show these images instead? And it says, here are the images related to the news, which is not true, and it's not showing anything. Hey Siri, okay, just attach the links to the quick note for the images that you found. And we can... Yes, please update it. And it says I already updated it. Latest news, image links. Let's see, Google. Well, it shows Carney. Yes, as you can see, it says sometimes that it did something when it didn't, but most of the time it works. And when it says I found images and it's not showing the images, it actually found the images on the web because it added the link to the quick note and it's there. I saw Carney. The point here is that it's not ideal yet because it's in beta, and I think it's not going to be ideal for the next a year or year and a half or something like that, because it takes time to polish these things and to provide access to more and more parts of your device so you can control it through AI. Exciting times for me, at least, because I like when the new tools are coming out and when they are so exciting. And I think that this thing is really genuinely exciting. And this is a video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your parents and neighbors. Thank you so much for your time, and yeah, see you later. Bye.